When I started working on my book just a few years ago on the topic of self-compassion, I was exploring all the literature, all the books that had been written that touched on the concepts of compassion in the workplace and the concepts of how compassion ties into leadership. One book has really stood out to me as game-changing because when we talk about compassion and empathy and vulnerability and all these things that we know to be true, it doesn't always click or connect to the bottom line, to results, to performance. That becomes an important question that we ask ourselves is how is this actually going to drive performance forward so that we can link it to our OKRs, even though we know it's the right thing to do, how do we make it concrete? Dr. Nate Regier, who wrote Compassionate Accountability, makes that connection between compassion and accountability and that it is a relationship that needs to be managed. Brene Brown once said, to be clear is kind and unclear is unkind. To be compassionate also has to come with accountability. It is not just about recognizing that somebody is struggling, but giving them the help, the resources they need to succeed, and then holding them accountable to the goals that they set. This is critical in leadership. It is critical in feedback. It is critical in coaching. If you are struggling to make that connection between being an empathetic, kind and caring leader, but holding your team and yourself accountable to exceptional results, I cannot recommend a better book, Compassionate Accountability.